Fuck you, man. And I don't care what you heard. I ain't nobody's ass technician, bitch.
Hey, what's up, Lo?
Technician ain't gangster. That's what's up.
I heard that.
Listen, Carl. If I'm going back to a cell, I want to have a big party first. This may be my last chance to get hurt.
Okay, so what's the plan?
Well, I'ma slide back over to Grove Street and get those sounds bombastic, fantastic.
All right, so what you want me to do?
I want you to get ready for the party and get some girls, man.
Okay.
Get some real fly girls, you know what I'm saying? The ones in the bikinis and shit in the videos.
That's what I'm talking about.
I told you, brother, I'm the chronicle of our struggles, the voice of the families like Moses, only keeping it real.
You said it.
You know what I'm saying?
Thanks, homie.
Why did I take this run?
Hey, CJ, word up, G?
Hey, Lo.
This party is jumping. We got a gang of crazy-ass bitches in the house. You coming over, homie?
I don't know, man. I had some plans tonight.
But we had a big disaster. Yeah. It's your man OG Loke in the house, baby. And I wanna drop it down for all my real gangster niggas. All my gangster bitches. Speaking about gangster, look at my man CJ right there. CJ, one on, nigga, one on.
Thought the motherfucking mic was broke.
Hey, what's up, homie?
What's up, Ryder?
Gee, all the homies in the back, man, away from this whack music.
Man, I feel you.
It's Loke, no joke. I'm the man in the place. Punch you in the face. A gun in my waist. It's Loke, baby.
Damn, man, this lyrics is horrible.
That dude needs some work, man.
Hell yeah.
What up, fellas?
Hey, what's up with you, baby?
So you back on the block, huh?
Hell yeah.
You a real killer, huh?
What he done that I ain't, huh?
Stall him out,
Man,
nigga.
relax, man.
Hey, a baller's posse's about to run up. They're headed up here right now.
Looks like we backed them ballers against the wall, huh?
Hey, CJ, strap up. It's Grove Street. I'll go get smoke and some Grove boys.
Okay, get some cars, block the road. The rest of y'all get heated. Pick your positions. Carl, get some cover. Jump on the food. Hey, look up. More of them on the bridge.
Deaf Wish.
Carl, cover the alleyway. Behind us, CJ, behind us!
I hear you.
Grove this, King!
Man, I ain't never seen the ballers roll that deep before.
Yeah, they heard Carl Johnson was running with his brother again.
Yeah, for sure.
Come on, let's get back to the party.
Shit, man, once Lo got off the mic, then the party got started. That look painful. Driving, mama, bingo. What's happening?
Don't try to hit me up with that ghetto babble, boy.
Officer Tenpenny, how you get my number?
Ways and means, you piece of shit. You been trying to avoid me?
No, sir. I just been busy, that's all.
You're not busy unless you're doing something for us, you understand?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Nice to hear it, Carl. Call in to the donut place in the middle of Market. We need to talk.
Nothing but a cheat.